Yeah.
What is up, guys? It is me, Just a Camo. Today we're playing Airplane Free Stories, and today we're gonna play one. So let's get in. I'm just gonna go in a random one. Like no, that sucks. Why not? We just go in this one. Yeah, let's go. I'm just gonna say. Hold on. I can't spell. I can't spell. Everybody come. Everybody come. Everybody come. Come with me. Look at them. They're all following me. Let's get in. Let's get in. Come. God damn it, you're stupid. Like real. Get wrecked. You two get wrecked. Yeah. I ain't enjoying it. I ain't enjoying it. I'm just gonna find one, so I see you guys. Okay, guys, I found one with 6 people. That sucks, but whatevs. At least I'm still playing. Flip. Your name is Flip. Philip. Infinite God. Infinite. Wait. Oh, Infinity God. Infinity. Why are you guys the same? Wait, you. Flip. Hold on. I'm gonna tell. Wait. Why are you two the same? I don't know what I'm gonna do, guys, but I'm just gonna skip some parts so I don't have to do some. Oh, so yeah, I'll skip some because they're boring and I've played this already. So I'll just the beginning is sucks. So I'm gonna go to a little further. So yeah, I'll see you guys. Okay, guys, I'm on an interesting part right here. Like, this is a little better. Actually, I want the pink one to make it more funny. Yeah, let's make some better stuff. Yeah. I'm just fine. I'm just gonna get this. I want the blue one. I want the blue one. No one takes. So okay, we gotta wait. Find. Yeah, not enough fuel. Oh no! We know that. Oh no! It looks like we don't have enough fuel. I knew he's gonna say that. We will need to fill up to take a baby before we can take off. Nozzle. It's called nozzle. No, knowledge. Flippin' knowledge. You gotta do it. You gotta parkour like boom, 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 boom. I'm the best parkourer ever. Yeet. What's a spinny thingy? Majiggy. Let me just go on that. What blue one? There's the blue one. I like the blue one. I can make both of them. I want a yellow one. I want the yellow one. Jump. Wait, I got skills. Oh, you can't go on that. Fine. Take it. Like, look, check me out. That was so easy. I don't know how hard that could be. Just. I don't know why. Are you colorblind? You're colorblind, I think. Sir. Oh wait, hold on. Dude, no. Over here. No. Here. Put it right in there. Put it in there. Good. Gucci. Gooch. Friggity doos. Gooch. You know you can die. My. Okay, if you're so stupid, you're gonna fail this. Sure. He died. How we're gonna get that back? I know how. Boom. One stupid person, colorblind maybe, didn't know how to do knowledge. Boom. I did it. Woo! I'm so stupid. Filling the tanker now. Net. It's green. Tank full. Oh man. Now we are ready. Rocket ready loadout. Well done, teddy bear. Clark, I just wanna. Hopefully, I'm not off the cliff. Cause I don't wanna die. Okay, I'm not dead. Well, I'm not dead. Please start the engine, pilot boy. Starting the engine. Wait, they're connected. What? How can you fly if it's connected still? Wait, I'm here? I saw somewhere a teddy bear. Right there. A teddy bear. I want a teddy bear. Haha, guys, you didn't get a teddy bear. Wait. Is it really? It's just us? Fine. I got a teddy bear just in case you want it. No? You don't? We gotta be alive with me. Get me stuck! Am I stuck? I'm not stuck. Now we just gotta wait. I think I'm gonna skip this part, so I'll see you guys. Because I played it, so yeah. Guys, I'm eating a banana, not a banana. Banana. It's not called a banana. 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 Wait, don't eat the banana. It's poisoned. He's doing a prank 100%, like, because look at that face. What? It's a prank? It's real? Haha! I'm just kidding. It's a prank. It's an old freaking potato junk prank. Get wrecked, boy. Oi. I'm just killing him. Okay, I'm just getting many potato jammies. You're a bad boy. Wait, at least I get the right side. Okay, let's take a nap. We gotta wake up, guys. We gotta wake up. I don't know what's gonna happen. 100% like not the wing's gonna break. You know, like the engine poker. 100% on this one. Oh no! I think it was the other one. Oh no! What am I gonna do? Yeah, what am I gonna do? I don't know. What am I gonna do? Nope! You idiot! We're not gonna die. Stupid. You're so stupid. Can we fly up there? Like, whoa! Wait, out there? But there could be maybe a skeleton or like no, wait. They could like not the little like maybe there could be a banana up there. Someone been up there or like a homeless guy. Nah, I'm gonna fall off, JK. No, I'm not gonna do that, dummy. I'm just gonna stay here and cut my face up. Check this out. Like 5 pages, like a time, or like 1 page at a time. 3 pages a second. No, 2 pages at a time. Yeah, there's gonna be lightning. Check this out. Boom, 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 boom. I don't know how this is gonna do, but you could be smart and just stay here. I mean, that's what I did. See, nothing's gonna happen. Wait, that's my question. Why doesn't the plane break? I'm just gonna skip this because it's not that cool. Okay, guys, the motor is fixed. Let's just check. Okay, what am I gonna do now? What is that? I didn't know there's gonna... Get I wait. What if I just... Hello, pilots. They see that. They said they don't see this. I'm just... Yeah, let's get in and skip this. Check it out. The pilot's gonna say, we didn't saw anything. So yeah, I'll see you guys. You're wondering why am I skipping? Because I don't want the video that long. So yeah, that's why. Okay, guys, we're at this plane now, and this is where Ronald is. So yeah, I'm just gonna skip some parts. But check this out. I wanted to do this my whole life. Yeah. Okay, it's over, Ronald. How did you get in here? How did you get here, actually? Let's run! Run! Save the noobs. I'm just gonna skip this because I suck. And I want to save the noobs then. So you can see that. Okay, save the noobs, guys. Save the noobs. Save the noobs. Save them! Save the noobs, dude! This dude doesn't help actually that much. I gotta do this all by myself. This sucks. And the little boy. Why not? I gotta do this. He helped! He freaking helped! Yes, I did it! Finally! Now we're just gonna skip this a little. Guys, I will do it. All right. We trust you, Camo Bus. 138. I can't read. Open the door, Ronald. Ronald, we can work this out. Skadoosh. Burn it, burn it, burn it, burn it down, burn, burn, burn. Let him go. You don't understand anything. Right. You are ruining my plans. I deserve this. Listen to what I'm gonna say. What is wrong, Ronald? Tell us what made you do this. Since I was a little kitty everyone made fun of me. When I had problems, there was no one there. And I never wanted. All I wanted is a friend. You have already friends. We can be your friends. Friends? Will you really do that for me? Sure. I'm just gonna skip this a little, so if you want to play this game, play it. It's never too late. Let's do this right. Guys, I'm parachuting. The other guy died, so I think I'm not. Wait, he didn't die? Where the hell is he? Where is that guy? Where is that guy? No. My boy. He died. We gotta make this alone. Guys, this is the happy. I got my teddy with me. I got my pink suit with me. I got my egg hunt stuff. I got the story because I just got it. I got the bee swarm egg. I got the ski egg because it looks cool. And some other bunch of other stuff. They're doing this. No, they're doing the skill dances, the noobs, which you would do. You gotta see this, guys. You just gotta see this. I'm just gonna skip this. Just a little. Guys, this is the good ending, but same account has been launched by me, so this is the good ending. So yeah, I'll just reconnect and show you all that. I just say goodbye to you guys. So yeah, I'm sorry, but that was the good ending, and we made it. You can see it yourself, but I just got it. Yeah. So that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Hit that bell. Still the same. Hit that bell. Smash that subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.